Let's make goat chop with rice combo. It's a mutton chop with rice, my friend. Let me give you delicious goat chop rice recipe, or you can say mutton chops rice. It's all gonna be in one pan. Look at the mutton chops. These are the goat chops. Once you get the meat from the market, follow the way I'm telling you. It's very easy to go. These are approximately about 1.5 pounds. 2 onions. You will slice them, both of them. Just rough slice it. This is not dicing. This is just the slicing of the onion. Onions are sliced. We will take our basmati rice right now. So this is the new pack. That's how the rice look. This is baking cup. We will take at least for the 1.5 pound, right? So we will take at least 2 cups of basmati rice in here. Guess what we will do? We will soak these rice right now. 2 whole cups. Just make sure your rice are dipping in water. That's so easy, right? We all know that, right? So we have enough water in the rice. We can use ghee for this recipe, but I'm using olive oil. I'm going all the way healthy, So you know the ingredients already and the quantity. Our pan is on the high flame. We will add at least 4 tablespoons of olive oil in here. Once you do that, grab your onions, the sliced one, straight, add it here. So at this point, we will stir fry our onions until they are light brown in color. We will take, since our onions are getting stir fried, we will take at least 6 to 7 cloves of fresh garlic. Easy, simple mutton pulao recipe is here. Alright, 90% of the onions are right. We will take our garlic, add it right here. Done. We will take a tablespoon of, this is coriander powder, a whole big tablespoon of coriander powder. This is cumin powder, at least 2 tablespoons, and this is freshly grounded black pepper, 1 whole tablespoon. These are all the dry ingredients but are required. Give it a stir. I wish you can smell that. It is awesomely smelling good. Okay, moment of truth. Look at these beautiful goat chops. Clean, delicious. Add these in your pan or pot. Just like that. Get rid of the gloves. Just like that. And we'll give it a mix. Just remember, we haven't added any salt yet. Just a rough mix right now. Okay, we will take water. It will take at least 4 to 5. Five cups of water. How good looking is this? I will take table salt, 1 whole tablespoon. It goes in here. Later we can add more. Now here's the thing, okay? Once you add the salt, give it a mix. The stove is on the high flame. This is time based recipe, so go with the timings. Okay, once you do all this process, cover this with the lid on top and leave it at least for 30 minutes so it boils, the meat get tender. If your meat takes longer, if you need more water in the process, you can definitely do that. Just make sure your meat is tender. I'm sure it's going to be tender in 30 minutes because it's covered, it's boiling on high flame. I'll see you after 30 minutes with the next step. It's been at least 35 minutes. This guy has been cooking just like this. I just want to make a note here. If your water exceeds, take the lid off and cook it. This is how it's supposed to be. We don't need a lot of water in our delicious, look at this beauty right here. Just make sure, if you want to put all this ingredient I showed you in a pressure cooker, just pressure it for 20 minutes, it's going to be done. But this is specifically 1 pot 1 pan recipe. Just give it a slight touch, you'll see, and the meat gets separated. So this is what we needed, right? We are almost done. Put your stove at this point onto medium. Let's do a taste test of the broth. I know it's hot, and here we go. Okay, very good. Soaked rice, they go all in here. Give it a mix. Put your stove onto high flame. Again, once you add the rice, put your stove onto high flame. We never added any water, you know, this is all the broth of the chops. Okay, it's on the high flame. Don't cover it, don't do nothing to it. We will take half more tablespoon of the salt, and I'm using the same spoon, but it's fine. Just add it, or you can do salt to taste, whatever you prefer, you know. Black dried raisins. This is optional. If you're not a fan of raisins, don't do it. Handful of raisins, and you'll just sprinkle it. We'll give another mix to the rice. And basmati rice take very less time to cook. Okay, look at this now. This is how it's gonna be. We can still see a lot of water. Once you see a lot of rice, we will put the stove on to simmer, and we will cover it with the lid, and then we will cook it for another 20 minutes. You can see a lot of rice, it has the water. We will put it on to simmer, okay, and we will cover it with the lid. On the clock we have 20 more minutes. We will wait. The rice will cook in this broth. In the meantime, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a mint sauce. You will need a blender juicer. It tastes so good together, you know. They perform a so perfect combo. Okay, we will need fresh mint leaves, mostly the mint leaves, not the stem. I'm trying it, and if they go in your blender juicer. Then we will take the cilantro, not too much stems, just rough count, you know. We will add this right here. Take 2 fresh green chilies. If you're not into spices, you can do just 1, or you can just not put it, you know. But mint sauce with this rice, you're missing out. Cloves of fresh garlic, they go in here. Half tablespoon of salt, half cup of water. Easy mint sauce you can make at home. A separate bowl, we will take fresh lemon. If you drop the seeds in, it's okay, man, you can remove it. And the green sauce smoothie, look at this, all goes here. Whole yogurt, and we will add this right here, at least 3 tablespoons. Give it a mix. Perfectly homemade green sauce. Just keep blending it so it gets smoother. Basmati rice with the goat chops in it. They're cooking up. Give me another maybe 15 minutes. In 5 minutes we made the green sauce. Get the ingredients, you know. And here's the taste test. Give me another 15 minutes. I'll see you with the dish out and how to present this. Make this recipe. It will take around an hour of your time, but you will get home cooked deliciousness. It's so light. You can feel it. The chops. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you on the next one. Until then, let me enjoy this meal and bye bye for now.